This video, I'll show you how to change the icon of a bat file on Windows 11. Since Windows does not allow you to directly change the icon of a bat file, there's a simple and effective workaround that you can use instead. First, locate the bat file on your computer. Once you find it, right-click on the bat file to open the menu. From the list of options, click on Create Shortcut. Windows will create a shortcut of that bat file, either in the same folder or on your desktop. After the shortcut is created, this shortcut is what we'll customize. Let's say that this shortcut is proudly correct. This will open a new window with several settings related to the shortcut. In the Properties window, make sure you're on the Shortcut tab. Here, click on the Change Icon button. A new window will appear, showing a list of default icons. You can choose one from the list, or click Browse to select a custom icon file from your system if you already have one. Once you've selected the icon you want, click Open, then click Apply, and finally click OK to confirm the changes. You'll immediately notice that the shortcut now displays the new icon you selected. And that's it. This is how you can change the icon of a bat file on Windows 11 using a shortcut, making your files look cleaner, more organized, and easier to identify at a glance.